because family comes first, no matter what. And even when they say, right, they say family and friends, right? You have your friends in the family, your friends are your family. Family comes first. Do everything that you want to, and now for Leo, the world is his family, isn't it? The football world is his family.
Of course, the man beside him, Rodrigo de Paul, we all say the little engine or Messi's bodyguard. So he assists Messi, and what a beautiful game. The combination we can see with these Argentinians, with Rodrigo de Paul as well. We can see Luis Suarez also.
Yeah, totally, no doubt. And his epic trademark, the get-up that he comes out with. Generally, of course, in this part of our world, we call it the briefs, the vests that he comes out with. Always so nice to see all his tattoos as well. That's another inspiration. See, I'm trying to say, when people see players, they look up to them as stars, right? They look up to them as role models, like idols, like how Messi had looked up to Ronaldo himself, right? That's so nice to actually create that kind of an environment, that kind of a comfort zone where you look at someone else and then become what you want to become. As we also keep looking at a lot of sportsmen, a lot of players in different formats of the game, see them, take inspiration and grow. That's exactly what it is. And I guess football should grow in our country. We need to get that Asia Cup, Asian qualification very, very soon. The process is on. Of course, there's a lot of other entities that should fall in place, but when that does happen, India will once again be a big force, even in the world of football. For me personally, so now I'm a little disappointed. We've got so much youthful power in our country, but apart from football, we've dominated, we've achieved in every sport, maybe hockey, maybe kabaddi, everything is there. But for football, I think God being here in the India tour is pumped up that aspiration, it's pumped up that dream to get the Asia Cup qualification first, and then of course slowly move into the FIFA qualification and also the Olympics.
Of course, I agree with you. It's a festival today for all the football fans here in India. Seeing Messi on the grounds of Kolkata, here in Hyderabad, and especially with that legend we can see Rodrigo de Paul and Luis Suarez, the engine, the greatest strength with his stamina. Always supports to Messi, Rodrigo de Paul. He serves as a box-to-box midfielder who connects the defense to the attack. He does the dirty work of running and pressing so that players like Messi can rest in the between. And
yeah, totally. As this is what people have actually come here for. This is what they wanted to see. They wanted to soak in the GOAT being present right in front of our eyes, right here in the RGI Stadium in Uppal, Hyderabad. And of course, Revanth Reddy being the man what he is as a good leader, good administrator of the state Telangana right here. He's made sure the arrangements and of course, the place what it is, so much more warmth that's been coming across. So many fans showing their love as well. And on that note, definitely we should be even thanking the special teams as well, the special security teams, the SPG teams, of course the police department, of course of Telangana. Really well done. Thank you so much to the entire police unit of Telangana, because without them this is definitely not possible. And of course the other patrolling team, the security team and everybody, they have made this tournament a big success. Yes, there could be some of the other issues. Of course, there would be some security protocols that wouldn't have been so very smooth and nice for people to come in and go out, but they should understand that all those protocols, all those orders have been placed for our safety, right? That's exactly what it is. So that's why we're able to sit down here in a nice environment. It's 8:30 in the night here, local time here in Hyderabad. It is almost chill and cold, but because of the love and enthusiasm we brought inside in the stadium, we're not feeling any cold. We're just not shivering at all. It's so much warm because the GOAT is right here in his tour of India 2025.
Yes, we are seeing a small exchanges between the players and the legends here. What an electric atmosphere here in the stadium. The fans everywhere roaring Messi, Messi, Messi.
Yeah, no doubt, as he is really making sure that he stays here as long as people want him to be. That is so nice. This is exactly what the love is all about. As Messi All-Stars 11 players, of course, they will take the sport to another great altitude, another great level altogether. And more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course, all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revath Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Didn't even realize what he's doing there. He goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveed.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pick.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is. He's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And yeah, the dad who I was talking about, who's going to fund all his coaching classes of football. Yeah, that is more needed today, the support from the family. That's why I said, do whatever you want to support your family. Be the family man, be the united person that you can be. Do it everything that you do to keep the family together, because at the end of it all, it's family. That's what is really needed. And like the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi has earned the entire globe, the entire earth as his family, right? With all the love that is coming towards him from the entire planet. That's really nice. But with all that, even going on there, so I really want to, make sure I say this for people to show so much love and take that inspiration. Yes, it is nice that you see him. There's eyes filled with joy, of tears, and everything. But then take that inspiration. Take that inspiration in life. No matter, you should come out there and play football. Try and be humble. Try and be rooted. Try and be inclusive to everybody. Try and be that sweet little person. Now there you go.